Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Wanted to do an update. Yesterday, we actually had some pretty amazing news for Dogecoin, which we'll talk about, and it's also kind of in the same category as the news we had earlier this week about a potential Dogecoin ETF. Now, as you can see on the chart, and that is obviously also something we will talk about. So far, we're not really seeing any major reaction from Dogecoin to the news, and that is, well, in the end, bearish. I would have preferred to see a bigger move and somewhat more of a reaction. But we'll talk about all of that, all right? Basically, what you need to be aware of and what the possibilities are. So let's get right into it. So the big news we had, obviously, this week was the Dogecoin ETF. I'm not sure when exactly that was again, but we can take a look at that. I think it was like Wednesday or Tuesday that that it was applied for it. Yeah, I think it was 2 days ago. I think it was Thursday or Wednesday. But you can also see, I mean, if you take a look at the chart right here, we did not really gain that much momentum. I mean, ultimately, Dogecoin, and that's, I guess, bullish. After the bearish momentum we had on Monday with the DeepSeek, FUD, etc., Dogecoin was able to hold its level right here at 31 cents pretty well. So that ultimately is bullish. However, with the news that we had about a potential Dogecoin ETF, which I actually do think has a relatively high likelihood to be accepted, and then yesterday we had this Grayscale launching a Dogecoin trust, which basically opens up Dogecoin for many billions of dollars in institutional investing. I mean, you can take a look at Grayscale and some of the trusts that they have and the assets under management. Like, some of them are huge. I mean, they have a Bitcoin Cash trust of about $164 million, Ethereum Classic of $300 million. And I think they have some bigger ones as well, but I cannot find them. Yeah, Solana 122. So that means, I mean, if coins like that are pulling that type of assets under management, that type of money, imagine what Dogecoin can do. So fundamentally, that's good news. That's bullish news, and that creates somewhat more of an opportunity for Dogecoin to still get some sort of a rally or a bullish period of time in 2025. However, short term, what it has led to is that the volume is up nicely. Volume is up 39%. That's bigger than the average gain in the markets. But there's no real momentum coming in. You can see the main resistance level that we have is this level at 34 cents. 34 cents in no way of the imagination is a very strong resistance level. And then after getting such bullish news, I think at least, or it should have been more bullish, the market is wrong. We got up there, but we just rejected. That makes me slightly bearish. All right, and short term, I would say it's most likely that because of that, we will at least drop back down into 31 cents and 30 cents, which is the main support level right here. But I would even say that even though at this moment I think it's most likely that something like this is most likely, so that we'll be able to hold that great sentence, so that we'll be able to hold the support, consolidate, and eventually get some bullish momentum from that as well. But I'll keep you updated on this, but you do need to keep an eye on something like the dollar strength index, because if this continues to be bullish, that's going to exert a lot of bearish pressure on crypto, and then unfortunately I think it's a possibility that we will bounce from 31 cents initially, but eventually drop down lower into 27.5 cents at least. I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know, and like I said, I'd say this is most likely. But that's it. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And if you want to discuss the analysis, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord server, and we can talk in there. But for now, have a great weekend, and bye.